Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and in this today's video we are going to understand about how to use Leansimcorp automation cycle time analysis tool. We have already created 3 videos on this topic where we are understanding different applications of this tool and how beneficial it is for your simulation modeling analysis and cycle time calculation. So if you haven't watched those videos, I'll request you to watch those videos so you will understand how important this tool is. In this today's video, what we're going to look at is how to use this tool so you get all your KPIs, all your calculations out from the simulation analysis. Okay, so on the right side which you see here, it is a Leansimcorp automation tool. The benefits of using this tool, we will first understand that. Okay, this tool will be available on our website leansimcorp.com in AI ML section. When you have, when you are going to download this application into your system, the best part of it is it runs on local system. So it has to, nothing or it is not dangerous about your data breach, data leakage or, privacy or security related issues. It is 100% safe as it runs on your local system. It do not require any type of internet. Everything is inbuilt in this application. It will be running on your local systems. The data which is to be calculated, it will be saved into the CSV file in the same folder where your application is going to be. Okay, so you do not have to search for the CSV files. The CSV files are going to be in 3 formats: cycle time analysis, summary of your cycle time for the parts, and you will be also getting the Sankey diagram, of your that part which you are gonna trace. Okay, and the best part is it is going to be just a matter of click, and it's very fast, accurate, and fantastically clear. So now let us see how we're gonna use this. Okay, so meanwhile, I'll just run this and I'll just stop for the moment. You need to do this. You need to have some parts which you are supposed to be tracking in the system. Then you need to go to your application, Leansimcorp Automation AI Cycle Time Analysis Tool for Flexsim. Here you are going to click on OK, and then you are going to drag that systems out here like this. Once you are done with this, you need to hit enter, and you can see the color of this is gone. It is asking you to map the stations. Here you can read all the informations coming out. Q is to finish, escape is to finish. If Q doesn't work, click directly onto the image window first. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are supposed to select the stations and name those. If you see that, let us make this bigger. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna highlight this and you're gonna name this as, say, Q1. Okay, then I'm going to select this processor and name that as P1, processor 1, and then I'm going to select this as Q2. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace this part for dwell time, transfer time, cycle time, processing time, and multiple times. Also we'll be getting the lead time. So all the times will be calculated automatically in the matter of click. No use of dashboards, nothing you need to use. Then that CSV will integrate with Power BI dashboards, which gets you a great visualization there. So once you have selected the stations, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Q. Okay, now we have mapped the stations. You're gonna go to Save Map. You need to click this now. Okay, we have saved the map. Now we're gonna add part type. You need to select this. And then you need to select the part which you are supposed to track. Okay, basically this is going to track based on the color of the part. Okay, so you can also select type 2, but for now let us go ahead with type 1. Okay, now if I'm going to click on the start tracking, you can see this that it is going to start tracking out the system. Now the problem here is this area it is already observing. So if you have this in, that is going to create a issue. So you better have double screens. Okay, so that is going to be a fantastic stuff while this works. So Here comes your live screen. Okay, and let me run the model and you can see how it is tracking. Okay, you see this, it's tracking like anything. You have a part ID there, you see that pink color trail, so it basically measures from where to where it does go, then P1 to Q2 and stuff like that you're gonna get. So you can see the part is highlighted in green box, that means that part is tracked. You can simultaneously select, just like we selected part type 2, you can select green part as well, blue part as well, and have their analysis as well ready there. That is how it works. So here our analysis is going on. For every part type, it is calculating what is my dwell time here, transfer time from here, process time from here, then transfer time from here, dwell time here, then the total lead time here and stuff like that. Okay, so this is how the analysis works. Okay, so now when I just have to take this in the bottom area, and just take this in the bottom area, and you need to click on the stop tracking. The moment you stop tracking, it is going to be saved as a CSV file behind into your system where your application was. Okay, and when you are gonna open the CSV file, you could be able to see the analysis of the steps. Okay, so that is how this application works. I've already showed you how the CSV file looks like in the video 1. If you haven't watched that, have a look at that. And if you want to connect with us regarding more info on this tool, let us know from our email ID Leansimcorp @gmail.com. I will also mention that in the description below. You can reach us out from our WhatsApp number, which is listed on the website as well. You can join our WhatsApp community. You can join our Facebook groups on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Do not forget to drop us a message to know more about this tool. We are happy to share a demo with you so that you can have a look at the advantage of these tools. More things are going to come in AI ML section on Leansimcorp, so stay tuned on videos and our contents at our website and our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. So see you then in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep simulating. Bye bye.